Hello friends, this is Prateek Vyas from 91 Mobiles, and today I am going to show you the box content of Realme X7. So once you just open the box, you get this paper envelope, and inside this envelope you get a safety guide and user manual, very standard. And here is the phone, and as you can see it is in the matte finish. I'll just turn it on and put it here. And after the phone you get this silicone transparent cover, which of course protect your phone. After this you get USB type C cable, and so this is the USB type C to 3.5mm jack connector, so of course you can enjoy your music via your headphones. And here is your fast charger, which supports 50 watts of fast charging. And here also you can see the SIM ejection tool. So this is all you will get inside. BoAt Rockerz 370 wireless headphone that is lightweight and comfortable for extended use. The wireless headphone comes with inbuilt mic for hands-free calling experience even on the go. With a 300 mAh battery, the headphone provides up to 8 hours of playtime. BoAt Rockerz 370 wireless headphone is lightweight and is ergonomically designed for all-day wear. The headset has padded earcups for added comfort. This BoAt headphone features 40mm dynamic drivers that deliver immersive high-definition sound to enhance your movie watching or music playback experience. It comes with dual mode, allowing for both Bluetooth and aux connectivity. The headphone comes with integrated easy access controls and a single press voice assistant. BoAt Rockerz 370 wireless headphone is available in 3 color variants: Gregarious Green, Fiery Red and Buoyant Black. Inside the box you will find BoAt Rockerz 370 headphones, micro USB cable, aux cable, manual and warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.